Hello everyone and welcome back to today's webinar. So today we have another very unsung remedy, that is Ginkgo valerianicum. Another very unsung remedy, and I learned this remedy from my friend Dr. Rajarshi Mishra. He used to give this remedy in severe pain in neck and spine, and PQRS is that he must be in constant motion. If he sit down, the pain will start again. He can't sit down, he has to be in constant motion. That's the PQRS of this symptom. And I use this remedy in neuralgic pain. Neuralgic pain, you have to remember, neuralgic pain, Ginkgo valerianicum. So peculiar, and it's a therapeutic of it. So let's start reading this remedy. So start, and this is a combination. It's basically a non-metal, and it's made from zinc, as well it has composition of carbon, hydrogen and oxygen that make it interesting and awesome. So let's see. Basically a non-metal, as I told, and it also has carbon, oxygen, non-functional organic compound, valeriates. That's why it got the name valeriates. So if you see the periodic table, so where is Jinkum? As you can say here, fourth row, 12th column. Fourth row represent the theme of work, task, duty, security, and 12th column, it means he is losing something. He is losing something. अब उसकी पोजीशन में कांस्टेंट उसको अटैक है, अटैक होने वाला है. दैट्स द मेजर थीम. अब उसको उतना काम में इंटरेस्ट नहीं लगा. उसको पता है कि उसकी पोजीशन कभी भी छिन सकती है. उसको अटैक का बहुत ज़्यादा सेंसेशन है. उसके साथ साथ अगर आप देखें, he it is in the carbon is in the 10th column of second row, and oxygen in the 16th column of second row, hydrogen in the first element, first row, first column. So it has also has the sensitivity. It also has the sensitivity of due to carbon, oxygen and hydrogen, because these are more primitive elements. They have very less atomic mass. So what should be the mentals of this? So it has the stiffness of zinc, as well as it will have the sensitivity of carbon, oxygen and hydrogen. That's my understanding of this Ginkgo valerianicum remedy. So if you see the rubric, now he started brooding because अब lose कर रहा है position. He started losing his position. That's why he's brooding, that too in silence. In another very major remedy, Ginkgo valerianicum. So peculiar. From the periodic table and from the theme, we also understand its mental rubrics. We also can assume its mental rubric. Now we develop some occupation diversion desire for. He don't want to concentrate on work. He has too much fear whether he will be able to sustain his place or not. That too peculiar of this Ginkgo valerianicum. There are 34 more medicine, and we can differentiate this from Ginkgo valerianicum. Another very interesting rubric is sensitivity. The sensitivity is because of carbon and carbon, oxygen and hydrogen. Sensitivity, oversensitivity, climatic period. In climatic period is the period where a person loses his loses his reproductive power. तो व्हाट शुड बी रिप्रोडक्टिव पावर, इज लूजिंग इट. जो उसने कमाया है पूरी जिंदगी भर, वो अब खो रहा है. Another major remedy is Ginkgo valerianicum. Think of Ginkgo valerianicum. Why this in this rubric the Ginkgo valerianicum has came? We can think of. Then another very important is the neuralgic pain. This remedy should be think of the neuralgic pain. Head pain, headache, neuralgic, chronic, that too chronic, along with Staphylococcus aureus. Ginkgo valerianicum. Interesting and very important remedy. What Fatak wrote it. Burning heat aggravate. Sometimes a severe pain in neck and back. And he said whenever I go to the burning heat, जैसे ही मतलब कि किचन में चूल्हा पकाती हूँ, चूल्हा जलाती हूँ, गैस के पास खड़े नहीं हो पाती हूँ. थिंक ऑफ जिंकन वेलर. Another very interesting remedy rubric is female genitalia pain ovaries in menses during and after. Ginkgo valerianicum, single medicine. We have to remember it. Neuralgic chronic pain. Another very important remedy is rubric extremities pain deltoid region, left to right, shoulder pain. Think of Ginkgo valerianicum. Extremity restlessness, feet hysteria in. Feet restlessness, he has to be in restlessness. Feet, think of Ginkgo valerianicum. So at last we will try to read for Borix materia medicum, a remedy for neuralgia, hysteria, angina pectoris, painful affection, ovarian affection, obstinate hiccup. What he wrote about in head, violent neuralgia, intermittent headache. That's so peculiar of Ginkgo valenicum. Overalgia, pain shoots down limbs, even to foot. We have to remember it's so peculiar as of what he wrote about in the extremity. Severe pain in neck and spine, cannot sit still, must keep legs in constant motion. Sciatic neuralgia, cannot sit still. That is the peculiarity of Ginkgo valenicum. So that's all I know about Ginkgo valenicum. Hope you like this remedy. So at last I want to show you rest to all my gurus who taught me so much. And contact to me nishan.smilebox@gmail.com and do subscribe to my channel.